Good morning, everyone. This is Ralph from the YouTube channel Gold Winging It. I'm about to do one of my favorite activities, that is go take the Gold Wing out for a ride. My itinerary today will be from Richmond down to Surry County, where I plan to stop at the Surry Seafood Restaurant. From there, I will hop on the Jamestown Scotland Ferry, go across the river, and then do the Colonial Parkway from Jamestown to Yorktown, which is my final destination. You are in the driver's seat. Let's go for a ride. I have arrived at my destination, the Surry Seafood Company, which is in Surry, Virginia. So I will go in here and see what they have to offer. Lunch is over and I'm about to exit the Surry Seafood restaurant and head to my next stop, which will be the Jamestown Scotland Ferry boat. I'm going to cut the trip short someday. I'm not going to do the Colonial Parkway because of the amount of time it will take me to do it, so I would like to do that tomorrow. So I will be signing out. This was a good experience. The food was very good, and it's worthy of a second trip. My next stop will be after the ferry boat, will be at Yorktown Beach. Starting to try to record again. Again, I'm on the Jamestown Scotland Ferry. We are crossing the James River, and I think the distance across is 2-3 miles. So we will see what we see. Head toward the back of the boat, or not the boat, it's the ferry, and giving you a scenic view. Yeah, this is a worthy day trip. This will be Coast looks like. I hope you have enjoyed this brief review, and I'm nearing the end of my trip, at least this part. Here I will be heading to Yorktown Beach, to see what that's like this time of year. I will talk to you later.